Einstein?
Oh, the smartest man in the world. Oh my gosh, is he the greatest scientist?
Uh-huh.
The one who made the atomic bomb?
Wait. Who really is Albert Einstein though? Albert Einstein was born in Germany on the 14th of March, 1879. Starting to speak late made him stand out at his age. However, his passion for solving the mysteries of the universe made him unique. He faced difficulties in his studies, but it didn't stop him. He graduated his physics education at the Zurich Polytechnic Institute. He worked at a patent office and spent his free time pondering how the universe works. In 1905, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers, and this is where the adventure begins.
First on the list is Albert Einstein's analysis of the Brownian movement. What do we mean by Brownian movement? Well, it is the random movement of particles under the microscope that is present in both liquids and gases.
It is named after a botanist, Robert Brown, who conducted an observation of pollen grains soaked up in water and saw the particles jiggle at a constant speed.
He gained massive attention from the public, however, he is not able to explain the reason why this movement occurred.
In 1905, Albert Einstein was able to explain that the pollen grain particles were being moved by individual molecules around. His idea was that the particles that are visible under the microscope are bombarded by invisible molecules which cause them to jiggle.
And in 1905, in his paper Molecular Mechanisms of Brownian Motion, he established the existence of atoms and molecules. Albert Einstein's 1905 theory of special relativity is one of the most important papers ever established in the field of physics.
Special relativity is an explanation of how speed affects mass, time, and space, which is defined by the classic and famous equation E is equal to mc squared, which states that the energy is equivalent to mass times the speed of light squared.
However, at this point, Einstein did not consider the existence of gravity, and so the birth of general theory of relativity came into place. General relativity is Albert Einstein's understanding of how gravity affects the fabric of space-time.
Einstein realized that massive objects caused a distortion in space-time. Imagine setting a large object in the center of a trampoline. The object would press down into the fabric, causing it to dimple. If you then attempt to roll a marble around the edge of the trampoline, the marble would spiral inward toward the body, and as the same way that the gravity of a planet pulls at rocks in space.
Quantum theory of light. Albert Einstein was the key person behind the quantum theory of light. He proposed and explained that light consists of packets of energy known as photons in 1905. Albert Einstein also established the photoelectric effect of the same year in 1905, which is the ejection of electrons from a metal plate when light, also known as the electromagnetic radiation, falls in it. He believed that light has wave-particle duality, which is the fundamental property of a light, where at one moment it appears like a wave, and yet in another it acts like a particle. This theory paved the way for him to receive his 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of photoelectric effect, which is an important step in the development of quantum theory. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot.